Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Adobe Photoshop, a powerful tool that's easy to use and packed with top features. So, let's get started. Photoshop is a versatile software that's been around for over 30 years, and it's still going strong. It's known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive tools, making it a favorite among designers, photographers, and artists. Now, let's talk about the latest version of Photoshop, which has been updated with some exciting new features. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of the Content-Aware Fill tool, which allows you to easily remove unwanted objects from your images. This is a game-changer for anyone who's ever struggled with removing blemishes or other distractions from their photos. Another cool feature is the ability to create and share custom brushes. This means you can create your own unique brush styles and share them with the community, or even sell them on the Adobe Stock Marketplace. Photoshop also includes a range of other top features, such as the Healing Brush tool, which allows you to seamlessly blend in textures and patterns, and the Spot Healing Brush tool, which automatically fills in blemishes and other imperfections. So, how do you use all these amazing features? Well, Photoshop is designed to be user-friendly with a range of tutorials and resources available to help you get started. The software also includes a comprehensive help section, so you can quickly find answers to your questions. In summary, Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool that's easy to use and packed with top features. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's something for everyone in this versatile software. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!